Hey guys, it's Choseness, and I quickly wanted to show you how to run a DayZ server on HFB. So, my problem was I couldn't find the PBOs required to implement features into my server. I'm going to show you today simply how to install the latest mod of your choice, how to change the name of your server, and how to find those PBO files required for implementing features. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your control panel using the information given in an email from HFB servers and go to Game Services. This will load the page similar to this, and you will have to first of all stop your server. This is to allow you to save any changes you make to files in your server, and will not allow anybody to join your server whilst you're making these changes. First thing you want to do is go over to Mod Manager to install the latest mod running on DayZ that you require. So I've installed Epoch Taviana, and before I go any further with this, I would like to emphasize that you need custom client files for HFB servers Epoch Taviana, which means anybody that wants to join your server will have to download these server files externally from the normal Epoch Taviana mod. So I really suggest you look somewhere else if you're looking to run Epoch Taviana, such as DayZ.st, or just have a look around and see if you can find anybody better that can give you what you want. So to install that, you simply click on the install button where you require your mod, and it will bring up a little window. This window will go through downloading, extracting and installing and show you how far through it is. Once it is installed, it will say completed, and it will come up green saying installed at the side there. To update your mod to the latest mod version, as you can see, Epoch is version 1.0.1.4, and as of now the latest is 1.0.2.5. so we want to update that by going back to Game Services and Updates. Once you're on Updates, you'll have the latest updates for each of the mods, and here is 1.0.2.5 for Epoch Taviana. And to install that, it's pretty much similar to what we've previously just done, and you want to install that using the install. It will bring up the little window, and once it's installed, it will come up with green installed at the side. To change the name of your server, you simply go to configuration files and main server config. This will bring up a little text editor in your browser, and once that is loaded, you will see in between the speech marks here you have your server name. You can change that in between those speech marks, and you can change message of the day lines, remove them by simply selecting them and then backspace, or making more by simply copying and then pasting below. Once you have made any changes that you want, you save that by clicking save up in the top left corner, and that shall have saved that to your server. Go back to your game services, and I'm going to show you now how to find the PBOs required to implement features into your server. So once you go to File Manager, the main PBO you need to implement features into your server is the mission.pbo. So in the bottom left there is an MP missions folder, and within that MP missions folder should be a load of different PBOs. And the PBO you will be using is the one that is actually related to the map on your mod. So say if I was running DayZ Overwatch on Chernarus, then I would select the Chernarus.pbo. You simply download that by clicking the little globe logo, and that will start to download that. And once you have made any changes you would like, you simply tick that, you delete the previous one, and then you upload your latest one using this upload here, and you can browse for files using choose file and then click upload. Once that's uploaded, that should have implemented any features you've added, and you may need to implement scripts into your scripts.txt file. So where you want to go next is into your HFB maps folder. So if I was running Chernarus again, I'd be going into HFB Chernarus official. Within that HFB Chernarus official folder, there should be a BattlEye folder, and within that BattlEye folder you will find your scripts.txt about 3/4 of the way down. Actually, it's about halfway down, and you can use a online editor to edit your scripts.txt, and you simply select that, and at the bottom add your script exception. Once you've done that, you click save in the top left once again, similar to that of the configuration files, and that should have saved your scripts.txt. You may also need the DayZ _server PBO, which is actually in your mod server folder. So if I was running Overwatch, it would be DayZ Overwatch server. If it was Epoch, it would be DayZ Epoch server. and within that folder there should be an add-ons folder where you will find your DayZ_server.pbo. This works much similar to that of the mission.pbo, where you download it, make any changes, delete the previous one, and then upload the latest one. If you require the DayZ_code.pbo, that is in your base mod folder. So if I was running DayZ Overwatch, it would simply be the DayZ Overwatch folder. Within that folder, there should be an add-ons folder, and within that folder, a lot of folders here, there should be about halfway down the DayZ_code.pbo. And that is pretty much all you'll need to implement features into your server and to get your server up and running on what mod you require. Once you've done all of this, you can then start up your server. Once that's started, people should be able to join, and I'm hoping this has helped you. If it has, I would really appreciate if you could leave a like, and thanks for watching.